right, yesterday we talked about topic sentences, and together we found 4 things that we need to have in our topic sentence to make them advanced proficient. Right now I want you to talk with your team, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes talking with your team to go over those 4 things. Remember, the 2 minutes are set for you talking about topic sentences. Jalea, are you going to talk about what you're going to do this weekend during this time? Nope, we're talking about our topic sentences during this time. 2 minutes are set. Review what we talked about yesterday. Reread the sentences that you wrote yesterday so we can get ready to move on in our next set of topic sentences. Yes, Fatima. Okay, well, there are other people at your group who have the notes, correct? So you still can participate in the discussion. If you were not here yesterday, you can still participate in the discussion. Go ahead, 2 minutes. Now try going with your group. Again, there are people at your group who have the notes, so you can still participate in the discussion. Telling the 4 things we're looking for. Okay, so we're talking about the 4 things that you can do in your topic sentences. You review them or rewrite them down. Got 1 more minute. Review those 4 things that we're looking for. Again, you can participate. Let's see, giving some group points. Those groups follow directions. Cobras are talking about the topic. So that's 20 seconds. Awesome. Layla's hands are folded. She's sitting up tall and straight. She's ready to participate in our discussion as soon as the timer went off. Richard's hands are folded. He's sitting up tall and straight. He's ready to participate as soon as the timer went off. All right, reviewing. Holly, what is one of the 4 things that we need to have for our topic sentence that we talked about yesterday? Tell the main idea. That's one of the most important parts of our topic sentences. Tell the main idea. I have to know what you're writing about in that topic sentence. Dominique, what is the second one or another one that we can add to our list? A detail. So telling the main idea and giving a small detail to help you write a more advanced topic sentence. We're moving to be a 4th grade writer. They're going to expect this from us. Courtney, what's another one? Using your punctuation at the end. If you do not have these notes or you lost your notes from yesterday, please rewrite this down so you Nope. You're going to focus on what these two sentences are telling you and if they meet our criteria for topic sentences. All right, go ahead, 2 minutes. So a detail that information or feeling. So we think it has good. Good. Now check out the second one. What do you think about the second one? What is it missing or what does it need? Right? And great. If I told you, I want you guys to tell me how to tie your shoes in a paragraph. Do you need to write? So I'm going to write about it. I need to know that because I already know awesome. I see Gabe. His hands are folded right away after he finished. He heard the timer go off. His hands are folded. His eyes are up here, ready to participate in our conversation. Holly's hands are folded. Her voice is off. She's ready to participate in our conversation. I heard a lot of good conversation about sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. Let's talk about sentence number 1. Tying your shoes can be hard, but if you follow these easy steps, you will be successful. Fatima, what do you think about this sentence?
I think the first one is I think it's a good one because it tells you the main idea, but it don't say I'm going to tell you about tying your shoes. That's kind of boring. You want to hear more about the main idea. You want to have a complete sentence and punctuation and more detail. But then you can have I am going to tell you about tying your shoes, but that's kind of boring. So you might as well have the first one because it will have more detail in it.
Great. She went through the rubric. She said, that sentence, it tells the main idea. It gives you an extra detail. Remember, a detail can be information or a feeling about how you have about the topic. It has punctuation. It's written in a complete sentence. She also said, if I'm already giving you the topic, I want you to tell me how to tie your shoes in your paragraph. You don't need to tell me I'm going to write about. I already know you're going to write about, and your readers are going to know that you're going to write about that when you are doing your writing for the rest of the paragraph. Courtney, what do you think about sentence number 2? Courtney, I'm going to stop you for a second because I need 3 eyes on Courtney. Giving her respect as she is the speaker. And 2 eyes are on Courtney, ready to give her respect. I think she has a really good idea. And in 1, go ahead, Courtney. What do you think about sentence number 2?
The second one isn't that informative because it only has a little details and it doesn't it's only put a little details and it's not putting a lot of feeling or informative.
Right. So it tells the main idea, but it doesn't really give you any information. It doesn't really give you a feeling about the topic. Okay? So it's not really giving us that detail. Yes, it has punctuation. Yes, it's in a complete sentence, but it's missing that detail. Maya, would you like to add something?
Yeah, because
exciting. Fatima, I gotta move your clip up because I saw you looking at both of the speakers when they were talking. And Brittany, your hands are still folded. Oh, she's already on outstanding this morning because her hands are folded. She's not distracted by a pencil or paper, and she's ready to move on. All right, we are going to look at writing your own topic sentence. Let's practice this. Now, in science, we've been talking about the planets and we've been talking about space. Here's an example topic sentence. I'm going to tell you about the planet Earth. We just talked that this is not exactly one of those topic sentences that we want to use. Good, Claudia, looking up here. Because it doesn't tell a detailed feeling or information about that topic. I want you to rewrite this sentence as a topic sentence about planet Earth, but I want you to use a detail. I want you to use a telling the main idea, using a detail, punctuation, and a complete sentence, practicing what these topic sentences look like. All right, I'm going to give you a couple minutes right now to go ahead and write down your own topic sentence, and then we'll see how we do. All right, go ahead. That's right, awesome. And your pencil on the paper, you're ready to writing that topic sentence about planet Earth using the 4 criteria. You can change the whole sentence. It does not even have to look like this sentence, but it does need to be on the topic of planet Earth. So you're rewriting the sentence. You can change the words, but using planet Earth as your topic. Nice job, and see this group in the front, all 4 of them. Pencils to their paper, writing a more advanced topic sentence than the one that is on the board, using the rubric that we have. Good job, famous stars in the back. What you got, Sophie? About Earth. So not the places over here. Instead, you can use new details. So what do we know about Earth right now? Earth is still very big. So maybe that's something you want to put in your topic sentence. Maybe a detail that you could add right now. Give you guys about 1 more minute. I see most people are finishing up that topic sentence. You just need to write the topic sentence. You don't need to write the whole paragraph. right, here's what I'd like you to do in three. Eyes are up here, ready to focus. Thank you, Mayan. In two, eyes are up here, ready to focus. Awesome. And almost everyone at this group, eyes up here. Thank you, Davion and Gabe. And in one, here's what I'd like you to do. I would like you to switch notebooks with a person that is sitting next to you. You guys are going to grade each other's topic sentences. I want you to switch notebooks. If you're in a team of three, all three of you pass them along so everyone has a different one. If you're in a team of two, such as this group, you two switch, you two switch. And three, you should have a new topic sentence in front of you. In two, you should have a new topic sentence in front of you. And in one, you have a new topic sentence in front of you. Here's what I'd like you to do. Based on their topic sentence that they wrote, I want you to go through the rubric. I want you to give them a plus. If they tell me their they give them detail, they have punctuation, or a complete sentence, give them a plus. Show them that their topic sentence meets all the criteria that we're looking for. If they're missing one part, such as this sentence, is missing a detail, I want you to give them a check mark. Check mark means you just need to improve by adding that last part that they're missing. So maybe they forgot a period at the end of the sentence. Maybe they forgot their detail, give them a check. If they do not have all three parts, or all four parts, if they have less than two parts, give them a minus sign. That means that we need you to focus on looking at the rubric while we're writing our sentences. Avery and Jackson. I just go up here too. I just go up here too. I'm going to give you 1 minute right now to look through your partner's topic sentence. I want you to give them, again, a plus sign if they have everything, a check mark if they're missing one part, and a minus sign if they're missing two or more parts. I'm going to give you 1 minute to look through and give them their score. Just write it right next to their sentence that you wrote. Go ahead. Thank you, Sabrina. She's quietly reading her partner's work. She's looking at the criteria. She has them scored. Okay, to clarify, right now I'm just giving you time to read it. That's right. We're going to go back and talk about it in just a second. But right now I just want you to take the time to read it and think about it by yourself. Just take the time to read it and think about it by yourself. About 30 more seconds. Looking at the notebook. Looking at their sentence. Thank you, Holly. She's reading by herself. That's right. Why are we not having a conversation with the pumpkins right now? So you're just going to leave the room and not even try to get back? You need to go find out why you got dismissed. Make a better project plan for the next time. I know you weren't here yesterday, but you need to make sure that you are working back to your routine. Awesome. Jasmine's hands are folded. Glad you're up here. This group in the front are rock stars this morning. Hands are folded. They're ready to move on. Avery, I heard you giving really good feedback about Jasmine's sentence. Can you please tell us and share with us what Jasmine's sentence was and the feedback that you gave her?
Jasmine's sentence was Earth is a great planet to live on because it is it can Earth is a great planet to live on. It is the only planet we can live on because some planets is too hot, too cold, and some do not have gravity and water. And I said that sentence is great because it tells the main idea, it tells the main idea, and then told great detail. She added great detail, and it had the punctuation needed, and she had complete sentences.
Perfect. I love that you went through all 4 of the parts. You gave her specific feedback. She said he tells the main idea. She gave a detail about information or a feeling. She gave punctuation in a complete sentence. That is a perfect way to give feedback. Avery, I want you to choose our cheer for this morning.
Good job.
Oh, this is a different type of cheer. All right, this is called the rattlesnake cheer. All right, here are the directions. It says put palms together, then wiggle them in front of you and making a hissing sound. Quickly stick out your tongue and act like a snake. Ready? Let's do our rattlesnake cheer. Nice job. And 3, hands are folded, ready to move on. And 2, hands are folded, ready to move on. And in 1, hands are folded, ready to move on. I'd like us to continue with this paragraph on the planet Earth. So what I'd like you to do is continue to write details on the planet Earth to finish your paragraph. Let's see how these topic sentences that we made is going to be able to help us to write the rest of our paragraph. Questions on what we're doing right now? Yes, Zion. You're going to finish the paragraph all the way to your closing sentence. Any other questions on what we're doing? Yes. Dave, you have a question? Distracted? Question?
So you're supposed to write another sentence about Earth?
Yep, so continue to add those details that you know about the planet Earth and that you know from our science. All right, go ahead and